Hi guys, we're going to take a look at this house today and look inside and see it's an excellent rental opportunity. Just right near Carson-Newman. We're going to take a look. Carson-Newman is literally right over that hill. So if you're looking for a fixer-upper that you could use as rental property, we would love to have you take a look at this house. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's Sean again. We're here at 102 West Rhoten Street in Jefferson City. We're going to walk in and do a quick tour. This home does need remodeling, and I think that structurally the bones are good in this house, but I think that you are going to have to spend some money and do some repairs. As soon as we walk in the house on the right, one of the bedrooms are here. We're going to walk in. Floors are wood, of course. These look like the original floors. This is a huge bedroom, so you can see here how big the floor is. I'll kind of do a quick floor shot, some more red tennis shoes, and around. I think that you'll understand the size just from seeing the floor. There's a closet. And let's go directly to the other side of the hall. We see that there's an old mantel fireplace here, window air conditioning units, and again, a good sized room here. The roof looks in good shape. I don't see any active leaks. It's pouring rain out today while we're shooting this video. And of course, you'll want to get an inspection. This is probably going to be a conventional loan only, or a cash buyer that's looking to fix up and repair. Another bedroom here. Excuse me. Again, roofs look good in here. This is a return duct here for the heat system. And here is the kitchen. So we've got a kitchen sink there. We also have some cabinetry out to the back porch. Here's your hot water tank. This would be like a dining area as well as a laundry room. See the laundry room right there with the hookups and so forth. And here's the bathroom. This bathroom has a traditional cloth style tub. That sucker is heavy, I can guarantee it. Just looking from here. There's your bathroom. We're going to take a peek out the back door now. There is a parking spot here on the rear of the lot. You can see a neighbor's black car is parking there temporarily right now. So your driveway, you would share this alley here, as we understand, up and park here, or you can do street parking in the front. So again, if you're interested in this home or want to learn more about it, please let us know. Glad to chat with you and tell you anything we can about the property. Thanks for watching our video. You have a great day. Come see this home soon.